Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make this type of pictures. You must see it on social media. You must have a curiosity. How can we make these kind of pictures? So you have to go to Microsoft Edge. Okay. And here you have to search Bing AI image generator. You can do it on Google Chrome or Android app. It's all the same. Okay. When you search it, you will find this kind of a link. Okay. So click on it and you will uh, dive on this type of interface. Here you can give a prompt like this. Okay. So you will join and create